Located in Houston, Texas, Safespill's facility serves as the manufacturing center for the ILDFA system. This vertically integrated facility is designed to support increasing global demand for environmentally safe fire protection. By manufacturing its proprietary floor system in-house, Safespill is able to scale production while reducing exposure to third-party supply chain constraints. At the heart of the operation is our state-of-the-art aluminum extrusion line, allowing us to produce the proprietary components that form the basis of every ILDFA system. Following extrusion, components are machined, assembled, tested, inspected for quality, and staged for shipment to projects around the world. Safespill is ready to support the next generation of aircraft hangars and transition the world to environmentally safe fire protection.